In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate dark mode in Monday.com. Many of us spend a significant amount of our work days in front of screens, and sometimes the bright default themes can be harsh on the eyes, especially during late hours. Dark mode offers a more subdued color palette that's easier on the eyes and can even help conserve battery life on your devices. So, let's walk through the steps you need to take to enable that in Monday.com. First things first, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Once you are in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will notice your profile icon there, which is typically represented by your photo or initials if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu of options related to your account settings and preferences. In that drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Change Theme. This option is the gateway to altering how the user interface appears on your screen. Go ahead and click on Change Theme. Clicking this will lead you to a new section where you can switch the appearance settings of your dashboard. Once you're in the theme settings, you'll see a few different options. This is where you can decide how you want your Monday.com experience to look and feel. The next thing you need to do is select dark mode from these options. You'll find that when you hover over these theme boxes, a preview will pop up showing exactly how your dashboard will look under each theme. Click on the dark theme, and instantly your Monday.com interface will transform into a sleek, dark-themed workspace. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully activated dark mode in Monday.com. It's a straightforward process that can make a big difference, especially if you are someone who prefers working in environments that are softer on the eyes, or if you're working in low-light environments. Remember, you can change back to the default or light mode anytime you like, simply by going through the same process and selecting a different theme. Whether for aesthetic reasons or for comfort, switching themes on Monday.com is a flexible feature to fit your personal preferences or needs throughout your workday. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, look out for more tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Happy working in your newly darkened workspace.